Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2012 Dodge Challenger SXT Plus in tungsten metallic on dark slate leather interior. So we'll start over here. We'll have a look at the trunk. So nice big trunk, good size for a few suitcases. And let's have a look down here. This is tight. You pull it there. There we go. So we've got the spare tire. We've got the battery here in the trunk. Everything looks great. All there. And close this up. Have a look from the back. So we've got a nice spoiler on the back. We've got nice brake lights across with the reverse lights in the center. Down on the bottom, we've got two stainless steel or chrome tip exhaust there. Looks fabulous. And we'll just run around to this side. Here's the rear chrome wheel, looking great, no issues, no curb rash, and we've got nice tires on there as well. Here we are at the passenger side, so we've got the Challenger chrome kick plate there, in great shape. We've got carbon fiber handle here, looks good. There's your power windows, power locks, and nice chrome finished handle as well. So have a look in the door frames, nice and tidy. And let's look in the glove box. So we've got books here, that's there, perfect. And up top we've got the black headliner with the sunroof. So that's perfect. I'll just hop out, close this side up. There's your front wheel, so same thing, no issues, no curb rash, painted rotors, painted calipers, good tires, looking great. And here we are under the hood. So 3.6 liter V6, 305 horsepower paired with an automatic transmission, and nice and tidy under there. Everything looks good. We'll just close this one up. So there's the hood for you. It's got the nice louvers on the hood on both sides. And in terms of issues, there'll be a couple minor marks. Let's see, I think there's some there in the front. A couple little marks there. No big deal. Everything looks good. The chin spoiler is in great shape, and we've got fog lights down at the bottom, and Challenger symbol there on the front with the honeycomb grille. So here we are on the driver's wheel. Again, no issues, no curb rash, painted rotors, painted calipers, good tires, looking awesome. Same thing back here. Let you have a look. Looks great. And then we've got our chrome fuel cap there. So on the driver's door, we've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and I'll just hop in, have a look. The door frame, nice and clean, and here we are. So let's fire this one up. Push button start there on that side. All right, so let's check the mileage. We've got 82,523 kilometers, looking great, no lights on the dash. And let's check over here on the radio. So we've got full navigation on there. Let's see, open, close. We've got a CD DVD player in the back. We've got voice control, we've got Bluetooth. And we'll just go to the main, here we are, radio media. So there it is there, AM, FM, and satellite. Perfect. So that's all there. And then down here we've got temperature control, auto, or you can manually set the fan if you like. So that works, that's on. Push for AC, that's on. And then down, I'll move the shifter out of the way, down at the bottom we've got a sport mode, so you can press that and it shows up here, sport. So that's perfect. And on the steering wheel we've got voice control, phone controls, and then on this side we've got cruise control on off. We've got paddle shifters up the top, so those are there for you. And then just down here, automatic headlights with fog lights, and then below your trunk release. Cup holders glow green, very cool. And we've got the center armrest console, and we've got a 12-volt socket and a USB in there. So that's awesome. And let's open the sunroof there for you. Perfect, that opens, and let's close it again. And there we are. And that closes up. Perfect. And I'll just hop out with the car running, show you from the back. There it is. Looking great. And here it is running. Sounds nice. Nice LED, or sorry, regular bulbs in the taillights, but they do look fabulous going across the whole back there. And there it is, folks, 2012 Dodge Challenger SXT Plus, here and available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at it for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.